Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a very special unboxing of my one and only VCA ring. And I've got this recently in April 2024 and it has been a few months. I've also used it, so this is not a real unboxing, but I just wanted to show you what it actually came with. And I bought it from Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, from the Van Cleef & Arpels boutique, and I've made a deposit sometime back 9 months prior to April 2024, and I paid a 8% GST deposit for it. But when I received it in April 2024, our GST has increased to 9%. So yeah, you're able to lock in the 8% GST if you actually bought it last year. So that's a bit more about that. And this is the receipt, the certificate of authenticity from Van Cleef, and this is the care card inside. So let's go ahead to unbox. This is so beautiful. I can't believe I waited 9 months, and there's actually a story to this as well, why I waited 9 months for this to arrive. So let me just take it out and just show you. There's a bit of some marks as well, so that's also one of the things that I wanted to also mention. And if I just do a reverse, and that's why it's called the reverse ring, there's actually a little diamond here as well, and I'll show you some specifications on the screen as well. And this is in a size 57, and I like to wear this on my middle finger like that. And let me also share with you. Alright, so this retails for $7,250, and this is called the Vintage Alhambra Reversible Ring in Rose Gold Carnelian, which is the stone that you see behind. And this is in guilloche. So this is a guilloche gold design, and it comes with 1 diamond. And this is the reference number. They locked in the 8% GST price. This year is supposed to be 9%, but yep, they have locked in the 8% because I made the deposit in 2023 and I waited 9 months for this ring to come. What I like about this particular ring is that it is very special. I've never seen any maison has a 2-in-1, so it depends on my mood. If I feel like wearing the ring with the guilloche showing, and I do have bracelets as well as a necklace that has this specific style in gold guilloche, I would just turn it in this way. But let's say if I am a bit bored of guilloche, then I would have it in the carnelian. So the carnelian is a semi-precious stone, and it represents vitality, confidence, energy, positive energy, and anything that is positive, good, vibrant, that exudes all of that. So this is what the carnelian stone is about, and it's also a very hardy stone, and some say that is as good as gold, is as strong as gold. So this is a very hardy stone, but I personally would not wear this in the shower. I won't wear it in the swimming pool, but I would always take it off. And this is in the size 57. So, and the reason why it took so long, like 9 months to come, is because they even had to apologize to me. You know, the sales assistant had to apologize to me. The manager had to give me a call because after I bought this, they actually had to send me, I think for every customer who purchased an item from BCA, I think one of the customer service experience thing that would appear, they would send me an email. I've actually rated them like an average, simply because of the long waiting time for this specific ring to come. And my SA is amazing, nothing wrong with him, but the manager actually called me within a day of me submitting my remark or comment about the service level that I've received. And of course, it took really long, 9 months, and I was like, I remembered like throughout the 9 months, I was messaging my SA only twice throughout the 9 months, and I was just wondering, are they literally going to the mines, or are they literally having to do and like find a diamond, right, while they're at it? So this actually can be flat as well, so it's very easy to store this. And let me show you how it looks. So one of the cons here is that it can get a lot of marks, like fingerprint marks, immediately. So this is how it looks like. I've not actually cleaned it up. Even with a polishing cloth, it wouldn't actually be removed, especially like the stains. So just something to take note of about the guilloche is that it is very prone to all these marks that will come. And the carnelian stone as well, you can see it's something that you can't run away from, but overall it's in really good condition. It is very soft gold, yeah, on the guilloche. So let's say if there is something that scratches or something hard, it actually would leave a mark and you can't remove it. So it's very delicate, especially if I know that I'm going to run really crazy errands in the groceries, and especially if this is a ring, I know that I would not put it on this side, because I know that it's going to get scratched up. So what I do, especially if I'm running groceries, is that I would remove it and I would just flip it around. And it's actually quite strong in terms of the reversal. I mean, of course, it's maybe brand new, but this is how it sits if there's carnelian on me, like that. So let me show you. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when it has carnelian on me, and this is the side view. And this is how it looks like here. So I think this is a very dressy kind of, I mean, I would wear it to work. I personally like how it looks, and it's a rose gold piece. So I personally really love how it actually looks on my hands. Let me show you the guilloche gold. This is how the guilloche gold bracelet looks like on my skin, as well as the rose gold. So can you see that very distinct difference? So the actual gold that the bracelet as well as the necklace comes in gold, so they don't have a rose gold version, not that I know of, but let me do a quick check as well. But I recalled that guilloche only comes in gold. And for this piece, maybe let me just put it here. So for this piece, this only comes in rose gold. So there's no other variations. There is no other stones as well. So it only comes in carnelian. Of all the stones that VCA has, they only choose the carnelian stone. Could it be for a reason? My thoughts around the carnelian is because it's the most hardiest stone. It's as strong as gold. So it could be the case. And for the carnelian stone, surprisingly, a lot of Chinese love this color. And I think when they launched last year in 2023, it sold out within like 3 months, and they really had no supply. I mean, that was also partly the reason why it took them so long to create this ring, actually from scratch, because of the size of this. It's 57. So it's one of like the biggest rings in which they don't have in a boutique. So typically the average size that is sold would be typically 51 to 53 ring size, but this is a 57. So yes, the manager actually called me and say, I really apologize that it took so long to come, and I know you've waited 9 months, which is more than the usual time, more than the usual waiting time, simply because there was a lack of materials and supply from in terms of the raw materials that's able to make this ring, and they really had to contact their HQ and really chase them just to find out what is the status of the ring and whether they are in production. So the last time that they've checked, it was still in production. So it was really still perhaps being made, and there was like a long waiting time before it arrived. So I think that's why I just wanted to understand like the rationale behind the wait. So, and they were also sharing with me there are certain pieces that even for Van Cleef, if you, for example, if you're, let's say if you are eyeing a particular item in Van Cleef, and sometimes the SA is not able to take a deposit at all. They have a list of items that they're not able to take deposit. This specific one, yes, they're able to take a deposit, and the ones that they're not able to take a deposit for is because they just don't want to overpromise the customer, because there's really a super lack of supply. Yeah, there's really it's really like just super rare and exclusive. So in the event if you are thinking about purchasing anything from Van Cleef, and if the SA were to tell you that this doesn't accept any deposit whatsoever, it is also a very strong signal that it is a very rare piece, and once they sell out, they're not actually going to manufacture it anymore. So you probably have to visit other Van Cleef boutiques in other locations around the world to try your luck. What do I feel about this purchase after wearing it for a few months now? And it's now August, so it has been 4 months since I've got it, and my thoughts around this particular ring is that this was absolutely worth it. It's absolutely worth every penny for me. I love that it comes in this two-in-one variety, and I love how it makes me feel when I wear it. I love to look at it. I love that it goes really well with all my outfits. Red is something that it's very warm tone, so it actually goes well with my skin tone as well. And yeah, really no regrets. It's a very unique ring that is a symbol to of course the Van Cleef Maison. Yep, look forward to share with you a bit more about other bag luxury haul reviews, etc. But hope you enjoy my little sharing session about the recent haul that I've done, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.